just doing what I do. I'm bored with your games, I suggest you get a clue. Yeah, it's like they never knew, I can spit it so precise. Bet that I'm all up in their head like lice. I'll never take it back, I ain't taking your advice. And they know what I mean, motherfucker, cause I'm nice enough. Yeah, well I got what you need, and it might sound conceited, but I will not concede. I ain't fucking with rucks, and I'm way out of your league. I ain't messing with you scrubs, yeah, that's word that I can read enough. So close, motherfucker, I can taste it. Y'all don't see the vision, you should get some LASIK. Feeling so good, you can say I'm on that make shit. It came from the heart, so that's why I had to pace it.
To have your name scattered on the lips of the young. Now you claim that it's you on the tips of the tongue. And if you're proud of what you had to kill to get your thrill, well, I bet it stings to give up everything and real.
They see me rolling, they hating.
They don't want you. It's a lonely road, never go away. Misery finds its company. It's a long way down to the sacred ground where the reapers stand for peace.
I don't play, something like a mascot, and I'm focused, treat me like an ascot. Coming for your neck, yeah, I'm coming for respect. I ain't fucking with your crew, you got jokers like a deck. What the fuck do you expect? For me to just resign while you decline, going circles like a revine. I sat back, motherfucker, call that recline. Pay the cost to be the boss, no such thing as free time. Yeah, if you think I take a seat, but instead I'll make a beat, that's the way I make it heat. And I hit the ground running, you would probably break your feet. And I'm coming for the fame, motherfucker, watch me ski. And I remember when they didn't need me, now they wouldn't dare try to leave me. And you know the kids spinning ruthless, so like Compton in the 80s right now. Rap game, well the shit is so easy, damn.
To have your name scattered on the lips of the young. Now you claim that it's you on the tips of the tongue. And if you're proud of what you had to kill to get your thrill, well, I bet it stings to give up everything and realize that they don't want you. It's a lonely road where misery finds its company.
Was ist das denn? Hä? Ich glaube, es ist gut. LOL! Junge! Mach aus, oder? Boah.
Went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to. I went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to. I went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to. I went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to. Live my life A to Z, fill up all the vacancies, feel the vindication from the hate you get for chasing dreams. I'm major league with or without any cosign. That's why I'm feeling how I'm feeling now. But it's feeling we on some other shit. Motherfucker, you know what it is. I fucking pay for it. Ask them, they know. Color me in sepia. They are fucking day glow. Shades on, shoes tied. Short clips never work. In it for the long haul. Pot shots never hurt. Dicks get rhinos. Elephants we don't forget. What's important overall? No withdrawal, we don't regret. Pushing forward even though this life sucks sometimes. Fucking with this noose, I promise I can get it untied. You made it out of bed. Task 1, crossed off. Step 2, show them that you ain't gonna be a ragdoll. Stand up, backbone, strong enough to break falls. Ref is trying to make amends.